Okay, I'm on. What am I doing here? I'm going to the mailbox. I renewed my passport 2 weeks ago. USPS says it's there in the mailbox, so I'm picking it up from the mailbox 600 feet away. But before I do that, I had to prepare for the cold. So I have 3 layers of socks and the boots, 2 layers of pants, 2 layers of shirts underneath this thick jacket, and then I think the body cam is recording. It's January 31. Anyway, my phone says, I don't know if you can see, it says here outside it's 16 degrees Fahrenheit, but it feels like 4 degrees Fahrenheit. That's -9 centigrade, or feels like -16 centigrade. But before I leave, why am I using a body cam? So this is practice. There's ice out there, not from the weather, but you know what I mean. So we have alerts from the neighborhood or from St. Louis that there's ice roaming around the city, and some of the places they go to, they are near where we live. So we are getting alerts on a regular basis from our community. And I don't know if you're seeing this screenshot. My passport, my renewal passport, is in the mailbox 600 feet away. So I'm going there on foot. I'm not driving, it's too near. Right. But before I go, besides the phone that I have, which is tied to my body, when you're old, everything is tied to you. Otherwise, you will lose it. Besides this body cam, I have my wallet. In my wallet, I have all my IDs. I've shown my IDs to you before in some of my postings. And most especially, I have this. This is the passport that I renewed. The renewal is in the mailbox, but the passport, even though it's expired, the moment a renewal is issued, the citizenship doesn't expire. All right, the document expires, but the citizenship doesn't expire. All right, I'm taking the trash too. I don't know if you can see this. I'm going to the trash bin to throw the trash, and then I'll go to the mailbox. Bye, baby. I'll see you in Uganda. All right, I'm going downstairs. This camera creates a file every 5 minutes, so I don't know how much time it will take for me to do this illustration. This is just practice. Just like they say, practice makes perfect. So I'm outside the apartment building. I'm walking towards the trash bin, and it's cold. I can feel it in my hands. There goes the trash. I'm not wearing gloves. My hands are in my pocket, and I could still feel the cold. So this is the start of the 600 feet walk to the mailbox. As you can see, the road is clear, but there's a lot of snow on the ground, and we're expected to get some more this weekend.